Hi there, I'm Yang from Shining 3D. Today I will show you how to use some helpful accessories to enhance your scanning experience with the Freescan UE Pro 2. Feel free to pause at any point to follow along. Let's get started. In some cases, sticking markers on objects might be a problem, so you can use the turntable with markers just like this one. Scan the turntable first, create a cutting plane, and save it as a template. Then put objects on the turntable, and you can scan mesh. Instead of moving around the scanner, rotating the turntable would be much easier during the scanning. After acquiring enough data for the top side, you can create a new project and flip it over to scan the bottom side. Be sure to capture as much side data as possible since we are going to align these two projects by features. Having enough common data is the key. Like here, you may find the scanner cannot recognize those markers because the angle is too cliché. To solve this, we could also place some dice along the parts to make the scanning for alignment. You can use manual alignment and select those 3 or more points to align the two projects. Using accessories like the turntable and the marker dice can make the scanning process much easier and more efficient and help you to capture more data. By adding these tools to your workflow, you'll get better results in less time. Thanks for watching. Enjoy our products.